Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session. So guys, today we are going to have another session in which we will be discussing some more important concepts, and I'm gonna basically let you know about the type of questions you can expect based on the important concepts in the exam. So I hope today's session discussion will even be helping you a lot to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam and to get ready for it. So if in case you will be having any question or query anywhere guys, surely let me know. I'll be talking about it. And if everything is getting clear to you, then that's great. So basically, if we are going to talk about this part, that is like the Unacademy learning app, related to that, I'm going to let you know a few points first, and then I will let you know about the type of questions you can expect in the exam. So this slide is related to Unacademy learning app. This slide is related to the session. This is something about me. This is about the community feature we are having on Unacademy, which will be surely helping you to know about latest updates and important points. Also guys, this is going to be the slide regarding the latest offer which is going on Unacademy, which will be helping you to save up to 35% on Unacademy subscription amount. And you just have to use and apply the code, that is Anjali Live, as mentioned here on the screen, to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Also guys, this offer is just valid till 30th April. So if you don't want to miss it, you can take the subscription now. All the important details have been shown here on the screen too. So if in case you will have any question, query or doubt anywhere, you can surely let me know about that too. I will be trying to explain that point. Here we are gonna have the slide regarding the iconic subscription, so which will make it clear to you that what are the benefits you will get if you will take the iconic subscription, or even related to the plus subscription. I will show you the important slides. Even guys, the notes are available on the learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to a very good level. This is about the plus subscription. This is about the light subscription. This is about the Unacademy Plus iconic and the light subscription. Okay, so all the details have been shown here. But in case if there is anything not getting clear to you or anywhere there is any doubt, you can surely let me know about it. Here we are gonna have the important slides, and now we are ready to go ahead to do more discussion. So today we are gonna talk about this part, that from which section in thermodynamics there are great chances for you to expect question and to have questions. So let's talk about that part. If in case you will have any doubt anywhere and you will not be able to understand something, make sure you are going to let me know in the comments. I can talk about it. But if everything will be getting clear to you, then that's great, great, great. So let's discuss this part guys. Basically, if I'm going to talk about the topics which are important for you and which you must prepare. So in thermodynamics, first of all, it's very easy to do the thermodynamic preparation. Okay, why? Because most of the things are from very basic part and they are not at all difficult. But we just have to revise a little bit from the basics. Okay, means from your school books and all. And when you do that revision, you will find like most of your questions which have been asked in the previous years are from that section. Even if we are going to talk about the classification of different processes based on like the constant volume, constant temperature and their related conditions, the basic laws and relations, the gases, for example ideal gas, van der Waals equation and all of that. If you are even preparing that part, you will find like questions have also been asked from that section. Okay, so it's more about basic than something which is completely new. So if you're the one who is afraid of this subject and things like how to start the preparation and how you have to cover it up so that you can have a better understanding with the subject and you can work on most of the questions related to the subject. So for that reason, I would like to let you know, focus more on basics first, and then you can just check out like the things which have been asked related to what part the questions have been asked. It will be making everything clear to you then. So if I'm going to talk about this part guys, you will find that in the thermodynamic the questions have been asked related to thermodynamics relations. Okay, and there is a trick which I have already told you related to great physicists have studied under the very fine teachers. So great physicists have studied under very fine teachers. every first initial word in the alphabet, like we are gonna consider the in any of the words, the first alphabet that's representing one of the thermodynamic parameters. And what are the relation between the different thermodynamic parameters we are gonna have, we can easily get with that trick, and that's gonna make everything clear, simple, and easy for us to understand, right? So let's go over the other point which we have to cover up and we need to prepare, and from where there are great chances to expect the questions. So that's your Maxwell's relations. If I'm going to talk about the next part here, that's going to be thermodynamic relations, Maxwell's relations, okay? The other thing you have to cover up here is the important expressions. They can be related to the type of process, they can be related to the different type of gases and all, but that's like all important things for you. Other than that, there are some of the constants like the compression constant, okay, and there is going to be other expansion coefficient, you can say, okay. So all that formula you have to even prepare related to this part, because you will observe that these expansion coefficient, the compression coefficients, how they depend on different factors, and once you're getting to know about these relations, it will be helping you to work on any such type of questions, right? Let's talk about the next part, guys. So if we are going to consider the next thing here, that is relating one formula with the other one, means it's sometimes not going to be directly related to one only, but you also have to relate the other part here. Specific heat capacity and other basic terminologies are important for you too, okay. And other than that, if we will talk about the other questions which have been asked, they can be related to equipartition theorem, which says that the energy associated with the each quadratic term present in the Hamiltonian is half kBT. So that is even something you have to cover up and you need to prepare. Except that point, guys, the next thing you have to cover up is that's your different statistics, okay. Bose-Einstein, Maxwell-Boltzmann, and you are going to have the Fermi-Dirac statistics. So all that is even very important. There are relations for finding the number of microstates, also how to find the entropy, like that is even very much important for every one of you to understand. If in case you are going to have any question, query, or doubt anywhere, you can surely let me know about it and we can cover up that part here. And if everything is getting clear, then that's great. Even probability and expectation value related questions you can have. Other than that, you can also consider any of the thermodynamic parameter related questions in the exam. That is even very much important. Sometimes questions based on average velocity, okay, the root mean square velocity, something related to the thermodynamic and statistical physics part you can also expect in the exam. So I hope, guys, each and everything we have talked about right now in the session is getting clear to all of you. But in case still if you are going to have any question, you can just mention it. But mostly it has been observed that we get the questions in the exam from more basic portion. So even if we are going to have better command on the basics from thermodynamic portion, it can help us a lot to prepare or to work on any such type of question and to get ready for the upcoming exams. But still, if you are having any doubt anywhere, let me know about it and we can talk about that part. But if everything is getting clear to you, then that's great, great, and great. Let's keep it this much right now, guys. So I've tried to explain you the points that what you have to prepare and what you can expect in the exam, so that you can start your preparation or you can work on these things if you have missed any of them. But if you have already covered most of these topics and the way how we have discussed it, then that's great. You will be able to work on most of the questions then, and you can even check out your previous year questions from the previous year question papers, and that will even be helping you to do the best preparation for the exam. Let me know if in case there is any question, query, or doubt you are gonna have, we can talk about it. And if everything is clear, that's great. So let's keep it this much right now in the session, guys. And thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. If there is any question or query anybody is having, you can surely let me know. But if everything is clear, that's great. Also, guys, as you know, right now the latest offer which is going on Unacademy can help you to save up to 35% on Unacademy subscription amount. This offer is just valid till 30th April, and it will be helping you to save more in your total Unacademy subscription amount. You just have to use and apply the referral code that's Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video and for joining the session till